What is going on, guys? It's your boy RdnRacing. Welcome back to another YouTube video. Now guys, today we've got another Deora 2 in the collection, and this is from the color shifter set. And I actually got this from a Shell petrol pump all the way in Malaysia, all the way in Cameron Highlands. And I think, what are the odds, right? I mean, for Deora 2. And this, I got this before it came to Singapore. I've recently been seeing this in different stores in Singapore, but I actually saw it first in Malaysia, and I thought it was super cool to actually get this out in the wild. I mean, Deora 2s, if you're a collector, if you're a Hot Wheels fan like me, this car has a lot of value, this car has a lot of meaning. And we're gonna do a quick unboxing of the entire vehicle. There aren't much details to discuss, but I'm still gonna discuss them with you. The color shifter set, this is actually also coincidentally my first color shifter set, and I'm gonna introduce it formally to the channel. So obviously we've got the two colors, the blue and the gray. Right now it's in this gray paint, and I think if you put it in hot water it becomes blue. I do not think we'll try out the color shifting portion because I don't want water to get in. I know it's still not a piece that I'll play with. It's in the collection, so I'm just gonna leave it as it is. But we're gonna unbox the car, and I'm gonna show you all about it. Let's see. Okay, sorry about that. We're gonna try to use the nail polish remover, because obviously if you guys know, nail polish remover is a great agent to remove this. So we're just gonna pour some around the base, see if it works. Let's see. Yabba. I'm kind of skeptical, I'm not gonna lie. Apparently it's not as easy as it is to open with the nail polish remover. You know what, I don't really like the card itself. I don't think I'll keep it, so we're just gonna straighten it away. We're just gonna ruin the box. It's been quite a while since we've actually ruined the box, but I don't really care about this. This is what I care, the Deora 2. And honestly, for me, I think this is an insanely nice piece. It feels very plasticky, which I think is, you know, the whole color shifting coat that it has going on. But besides that, I think the car looks amazing. So we're gonna start with this side with the wheels. They've been amazing wheel, even for color shifters. We've got a Hot Wheels logo right here, some flame decal, which is very nice. It's very clean, crisp, looks amazing on this. And obviously we've got a skateboard, which we will get back to in a bit. The front wheel spins amazingly well as well. Obviously we've got tinted glasses, orange tinted glass. And if we move on to the front, we've got the headlights, all the different equipments, machinery. And obviously if you guys can see the line right here and the line right here is actually where the door opens. So if you guys are new to the whole Deora 2 idea and the whole concept of this car, so what happens is basically the door opens and this entire portion right here, so this portion will actually open up this way, and it will allow the driver and the passenger to get in, which is a really cool idea. It's a very unique, something that no one else has ever done. And obviously you can see the interior as well. You can see the steering wheel right there, the steering wheel column, the center console, and the seats. If you move on to the left side of the vehicle, same decal on the front end, which is this amazing, magnificent paint job of flames. The detail on this is really spectacular, and I think it's really nice to see. Obviously there's some sort of opening here right there. Maybe it's like an arrow dot, I'm not really sure. We've got a Hot Wheels logo right there as well. Back wheel spins amazingly well, and if you look at the rear, here's where it gets amazing, because here you can see the engine, the exposed engine with the quad exhausts, the rear light temples, and this nice looking spoiler that this car comes with. Obviously you can see some defects on the paint right here, but that's okay, not much to complain about that. And if you look at the top from this angle, you can actually see the surfboards right here. Two surfboards. Unfortunately this can't be moved. They're actually made into the plastic, which is unfortunate. Some of the Deoras that I have, you know, you can remove the surfboards and play around with it, but this you can't. It's okay. It's better than some models. I know the 5-pack that I heard does not even have the skateboard in the first place, so it's nice that they actually incorporated it into the model over here, and it's really nice to see. Obviously, all in all, great car. If you look at the bottom right here, we can actually see the Hot Wheels logo right there, Deora 2, and some other licensing as well, product licensing. And the base looks nice. Not much detail, but it's a silver base. All in all, amazing vehicle. Super pumped to have this in my collection. We're gonna do a few rolling shots. See you at the end. And just like that, guys, this video is over. I hope you guys had an amazing time. So here is the Deora I just unboxed, and here is the entire collection of Deoras that I have for now. So we've got this Jabba the Hutt, this older model Deora, and the regular treasure, and of course the first Deora, which is also a treasure hunt. If you can see right there, the treasure hunt logo. So that's about my Deora collection. That's all I have. But I'm looking to expand. So I do have a few, like for example the Batmobiles, the classic TV Batmobiles. I've got 3 here, and then I've got another one left to unbox right there. But that'll be in a future video. And then obviously like my cool combis, for example. So I like to collect some unique cars like this. But for here, the Deora 2, these are all the Deoras that I have. Let me know in the comments below. But I'm looking forward to, buying more Deoras for my collection. Let me know in the comments below, guys, if you guys enjoyed this video. I had a lot of time. Obviously, you can see the collection is in a bit of a mess right now. But yeah, just like that, guys, this video is over. And I'm out. Bye!